If I was gonna start dropshipping all over again right now, this is exactly what I would do. All right, so this is gonna be a little bit longer of a video, so be sure you're paying attention. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to TikTok and I'm gonna type in Amazon finds, TikTok made me buy it, or any other hashtag, and then I'm gonna scroll through and I'm gonna find a product. Once I find a product, I'm gonna order it on Amazon so that way I can create my own content. So now that I have my product, here's my product right here, just for example purposes. I'm gonna take this product and I'm gonna make as many videos as I can. I'm gonna make an Instagram, I'm gonna make a TikTok, and I'm also gonna make YouTube so I can post YouTube shorts. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to Shopify, start my free trial, and start building out my website. So I'm gonna assume that you don't have a lot of money to run ads. So what I would do is I would post 3 to 4 times a day on each one of those platforms, but I would pay close attention to TikTok. The reason for this is because of TikTok's organic reach. You can basically do free creative testing right from your profile. So I would start up a brand new profile and I would post for a couple weeks, and then I would see which videos did the best, and I would take my best performing videos and I'm gonna run them on TikTok ads and I'm gonna run them on Facebook ads. And from here, all I would do is literally just rinse and repeat this process until I found a winning product. And once I find that winning product, I'm gonna buy inventory, start optimizing my website, adding upsells, downsells, SMS, email sequences, the whole 9 yards. So if this is something that you're looking to get into and you want to start learning how to drop ship, be sure to shoot me a DM. I would love to help some of you guys out, and be sure to follow for more tips.